Hello, hello. Today I have an unboxing slash, it's going to be an actual review for you as well. It is from a company called WHATOOK, WHATOOK, and it is a 3D unicorn nightlight. Price on Amazon is $15.99, prime shipping, of course. The listing is actually 3D unicorn nightlight, 7-color change, 3D WHATOOK, optical illusion lamp, LED, USB, charging lights, creative table lamp, battery operated as Christmas gift. Okay. This can be either USB or it can be powered by 3 AAA batteries. Comes in a, fairly, standard box there. It does have a little touch sensor on it. Instructions are fairly basic, of course, here. Including a package, acrylic plate, a base, and a USB cable. Operation, you can change the different colors: green, blue, yellow, cyan, purple, white. That's what that says here. Or flashing, it looks like it says too. So we'll see here. This is the acrylic plate, but here is the base, and there's the power sensor, whatever you want to call it. And you put your the plate will go in here, which you'll see in a second. On the back is the micro USB port. Here's the cable, and it looks fairly nice and long as well. And then on the bottom, you can put 3 AAA batteries inside of it, and we do have rubber feet to, keep it where you put it. But let's check this out real quick here. So we'll open this up and get this ready. It's fairly, basic thing here. It's just plastic. My wife likes unicorns, and I thought this would be, something she would really like. And, and I always wanted to see what these were. I've seen them on Amazon numerous times. So I was curious about them here. Now, this is the acrylic plate. I got a unicorn, as I said. But it comes with this protective plastic over top of it. I don't know if you can see the actual unicorn, the horn. It's a horse. Suppose it looks better when it's lit up. I'll turn the light off. Okay, maybe not. I can't get the cover off here. There's plastic on both sides. All right, well, here's one. And there's some on this side, too. I can't get it. I'm sorry. I'm having a little issue here with this. Wow, okay. Says it's on both sides, right? That's what it says. Ah, there it goes. There it goes. Okay. Wow, it was really hard. It's really stuck on this. Looks like we have a little piece up here yet. And then there's a little piece here, too. It's basically plexiglass. I mean, they call it acrylic. But there's the unicorn there. I don't know if you can see that in the video. It's kind of hard to make out. But it goes into the base, like so. And the idea is, you're not supposed to actually touch the acrylic part because, it'll leave fingerprints here. Let me grab I'm just going to over USB, and let's check this out here. I'll turn the light off in a second. Okay, there's one light off, but, oh, there we go. Okay, so there's red. Let me see if I can back this up a little bit. Okay, so there's red. Off. Oh, green. Off. Blue. Off. Cyan. Off. Blue. Off. Purple. Off. Looks like white, maybe? Same thing there. So it's supposedly red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, pink, white. Oh, okay, here we go. The last mode is it color changes. I don't know, it looks pretty neat. Actually, you really can't, once it's lit up, you can't see the acrylic and only the actual lines of the unicorn light up, which, is the idea, of course. It looks really nice, I think. But that's about it. WHATOOK 3D lamp. It's lightweight, very simple to use. They have other ones, too, that you can pick from. Looks like there's a flamingo, baseball glove, an alien, and a yoga pose. I don't know, whatever that is. But the unicorn one is cool. I think, and for the price, $15.99. I like the idea that it is, you can use both powers with it there. As in, you know, batteries, or you can use over USB, because then you can use a battery, you can take it with you, etc. Or, of course, you know, everybody has a computer at this point, so you just plug it in over USB. But that's it there. Cool little product. All right, thanks.